So friends, finally I have found a fix for the random Wi-Fi disconnection in Realme 6785 devices, which includes these devices. So the fix is basically a kernel which is built by official Pewtoid. So recently he has released that kernel. So you can clearly see in the changelog that the random Wi-Fi disconnection is fixed in this kernel. So basically I am using this kernel, and from when I flashed the kernel I am not facing any issue like that. The Wi-Fi is still connected even if the signal is too low, and you can see also the Wi-Fi signal currently is too low, but it is not disconnecting, which is a really good sign. So a big thanks to official Pewtoid for making such kernel for Realme 6785 devices, and I hope in future other developers will also make kernels like this one. And again, if you want to fix the Wi-Fi disconnection problem, just flash this kernel, and after downloading this kernel make sure to save it to downloads. Then after rebooting to recovery, you will get the kernel in the Telegram folder. So you can see I have the kernel right here. But before flashing the kernel, make sure to backup your current boot image from the recovery, or you can do that with the Franco kernel manager, because if anything goes wrong you can restore the boot image or stock kernel, whatever you say. And another thing you have to remember is this kernel is made for Realme 6785 devices, or you can say Realme UI 2.0 based ROMs. That means Android 12 and Android 13 ROMs for Realme 6785 devices. Now to flash the kernel, reboot to custom recovery, and here I am using the TWRP recovery which has the decryption. So I will also put the link of this recovery in the description. Enter the password. So before flashing the kernel, make sure to backup. For backup, click on backup and select the boot partition, and let's select the storage. And if you have micro SD card, then it's okay, but if you don't have it, select the internal storage and swipe to make the backup. I will not make it again because I have made the backup already, you can see. So to flash the kernel, go to install, and after downloading the kernel you will get it in the Telegram folder. You can see here the kernel is here, Sionic kernel. To flash it, just swipe. So after flashing the kernel, just reboot system. You don't have to do anything else. And currently I am on Legion OS. If you did not watch the video of Legion OS, then go to my channel and watch that video. So flash it right away and fix your Wi-Fi disconnection problem. So this is all I had to say in this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.